Diyan din ba natin marerelate kung bakit yung mga 30 years old pababa, mas prefer na rin muna na live-in muna tayo, tsaka na tayo magpakasal?
Dry run.
May dry run, may practice.
Yeah, actually, that was also surprising kasi yung nirelease ng Philippine Statistics Authority on nuptiality or yung marriages statistics, nakita natin yung mga below 30, yung mga nakikipag-live-in. And then there was really a trend na pababa talaga siya, no? Yung mga nagpapakasal na Pilipino. Talagang maybe because of their personal goals. So instead of getting married, they're living together, no? So, siguro may economic aspect din yon kasi mas nakakatipid pa magkasama, diba, yung couple, yung mag-boyfriend, no? So, yun yung nakikita natin na medyo alarming in a sense. Kasi live-in arrangements, of course, we are not judging. We're always accepting anything that our Filipino couples or Filipino individuals decide on. Pero syempre, of course, marriage brings security and safety for both parties. But yun, ganun ang trend na nakikita natin sa mga kabataang Pilipino, less than 30, no? Kasi according to the National Youth Commission definition, pag 15 to 30, youth pa yan. No? So it's still considered youth yung mga nakikipag-live-in since they're less than 30.